flight depends on this. Every aircraft you see in the sky is constantly maintained, tested, and verified. And not just once, but throughout its entire lifetime as part of a process called MRO, which stands for maintenance, repair, and overhaul. As part of this process, components are removed, inspected, repaired if needed, and tested periodically before going back into service. Testing is a critical part of this process. You're not just checking if something powers on, you're verifying that it behaves exactly as expected under realistic conditions. Because in aviation, small errors leads to big consequences. A lot of MRO testing still relies on legacy test equipment, manual procedures, and systems that are hard to maintain. And as electronics becomes even more complex, testing becomes even harder. At FPC, we're developing modern test solutions to replace or augment legacy systems in MRO testing environments. Our solutions automate and streamline testing, simplify operator workflows, and make setups easier to maintain and scale. At the end of the day, keeping aircraft fly safely depends on how well we test them, and that's something that cannot be compromised.